Today I'm going to be making scrambled egg. So we need to get some butter out and put it on this pan. Not too much, which I think I have done. And then we need to make the mixture. So first we need to crack the eggs. So you have 2 per person and you need to crack them. I think everyone's seen or done this. Yeah. You need to make sure no shards of the shell gets into the mixture, otherwise you'll be finding part of a shell in your scrambled egg. Then you need to pour a little bit of milk in. I personally like to put quite a lot of milk in because it makes it quite creamy. So now it looks like this. And you need to mix it together with a whisk. By the way, you don't have to use this bowl. You can use any bowl of your liking. You can use any whisk, just I prefer this one because it's a lot easier and funner to use. Okay, then we need to get our mixture. Right. It's always dangerous to do that. You can knock your arm on it and then that'll go everywhere. So you need to pour it in, all of it. I don't think I've mixed it correctly. It still has the yolks in it though, you still need the yolks. So then so now we need to get a different whisk because this whisk is too powerful. And now I've got my sleeve all wet. This whisk is too powerful to use on that and the pan will just go all over the place. So you either need to use a whisk that isn't like that. I don't actually like this whisk very much, I just like fiddling with it. So I'm going to use this whisk. I know it just looks like a spoon with a barbed wire on it, but yeah. So you have to wait for it to cook till it gets all spotty and bubbled. You need to whisk it around until it starts to form a thing that looks like scrambled eggs, till bits come out. So when it starts to get really thick, starts to get hard, and you can hear that, just turn it down a bit. So you can start to see scrambled egg emerging from the liquid. So now it's starting. Stupid dog. So silly sometimes. Okay, so now it is ready. Take it off. You can use a spatula, anything to get that off the pan. See, it carries on cooking, so you can't leave it on the pan too long. So put the plate close and we get the scrambled egg off. If you accidentally do that and it looks all flat and not as pretty as it's meant to be, that really doesn't matter, and we'll just touch the hot bit. You can just get a whisk again and start mushing it up. So, Victor, it's not for you. You could put salt and pepper on. I wouldn't suggest putting salt on because it takes away the creamy flavour. You can put salt on one half and then salt on the other to try. Scrambled egg.